Welcome back to my channel. So I will show you how to run the Flutter app on your mobile device without connecting the USB. Okay. So for this, first of all, go to your C tab. So I will go to the C and here locate to the users, then to the HP. It might be different on your and go to the app data and go to the local and here in the Android and SDK. Then task is to locate this platform tools folder. Okay, inside the Android and inside the SDK. So click on here platform tools. Now copy this path. Now go to the search bar and type edit system variables. Okay. Now click on see edit environment variables in the system. Sorry, in the system variables. Click on path. Then click on edit. Click on new and paste this path that we have copied earlier. Okay. Now click on OK. 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 Now open the VS Code and go to the terminal and here devices. This will show the device that is connected to your PC. So always make sure that the Wi-Fi connection to your both mobile device and PC is same. And for this beginning step, connect your mobile device with PC with the USB. Okay. Now we have to give the port number ADB TCPIP and give the port number. So you have to give the IP address. So ADB connect in here. You have to give the IP address of your mobile device. Okay. So for this, go to your mobile. So I will show you here. Go to your mobile settings. Open the Wi-Fi connection. Okay. So go to the mobile settings. Go to system. Then about phone. Then go to the network. And in here you must you will find the IP address of your network. Okay. So copy that IP address. Here you can see our device is connected and run successfully without connecting the USB.